Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a sit down video with you about packing for traveling. Okay, so I'm by no means an expert. Also, don't expect a lot of sit down videos because I have two small children and it gets a little crazy. But one is down for a nap and the other one is being watched by dad. So first what I wanted to do is just go a quick little overhaul of what I'm bringing and then show you guys how I'm going to pack it all. Now this is a really quick stay. We're going to be going and looking at a place to see if it's potentially somewhere that we'd like to live down the road, because my husband and I like to plan things out and we need to know if it's a possibility or we just need to forget about it. And yeah, but we need to plan accordingly. So this trip, we're only going to be down there for 3 days, so it's not a long trip. It's not abroad. So we're actually just bringing on a carry-on and then your personal bag. And this is just my luggage, not his. He has his own backpack, which has no organization to it at all. He just throws it in there and then pretty much it always seems to work out for him. But so just go ahead and show you what I'm going to bring. So obviously you guys will find out very quickly what my favorite color is because it's a little obvious. I'm going to have to repack everything and take out some of the things my daughter put in there. I don't want that. So first in our carry-on, I like to pack all the things that I know I will probably be needing to quickly access at the very beginning, which obviously makeup is a big one. I don't bring everything. I'm not going to do that because I'm just not. I'm going to bring everything that I use on a regular basis. Mascara, well, you know, it's this face right here. What accomplishes this look, I want to bring. I know we're not going out or anything, so I don't need to bring anything special, but I put my makeup bag at the top. I've had this little thing since my wedding. It was like a wedding, part of a wedding gift, and for my mom, and my bridesmaids got it too, and I absolutely love it. It's really nice. I do bring a couple hot tool things going along with cosmetic stuff. This is, are we sensing a theme? This is a traveling hair dryer. I know that at hotels they have them. I don't like them though. I'm not trying to sound hoity-toity, but they're garbage. So this is, I think it's pronounced chai, I don't know, but it's amazing. And it comes with, let me grab everything. So in this thing, it has the straightener in it, which you can also use as a curling iron, which I'm sure you already know, which learning that was like the best thing. Next is the hair dryer, and it just folds up. It's really compact, but it's a really nice one, so I know that my hair isn't going to be just getting, I mean, the hotel ones aren't nice. It's nice that they're there, but it's like their ironing thing. You don't want to use it unless you absolutely have to. So I do bring this, and since we are going to be away from the kids a couple days, since we are going to be away from the kids, let's move that. My daughter put that in the luggage. Since we're going to be away from the kids a couple days, what I am going to be bringing is some like little self-care stuff. So I did bring like a mask, and I've heard mixed reviews about this. I love these products, and I don't even bring all of like the whole thing because I don't need it. But like the Biore strips, if it will, like, I don't have the package, but y'all, I get blackheads and I'm not gonna hide it. And I like to do these like once a month. I heard somebody once told me that it's not good for your skin. So if it's not, like, let me know, because I've been using these like once a month on my, at least, nose since I was like 16 years old. I'm not going to tell you how long ago that was, but it's been a few years. And then I just had like a little mask that I'll go and use that with it. I also, I haven't tried it yet, so I'm gonna let you guys know. I used Smile Direct Club, which is a teeth straightening company, and I still have like a couple more treatments to do to fix that gap. But when you use them, they give you those are the dogs, a teeth whitening kit. Haven't used it, don't know how it works, but I thought, hey, let's try it while we're away from the kids and I can relax a little bit. So that's it for pretty much like the cosmetic stuff. Obviously I do bring like my toothbrush, deodorant, toothpaste, which, oh, let me grab that. This toothpaste, which is like the black one, you know, that you saw, I feel like it was 2 years ago this became like a thing. Obviously it's used because it's nothing in here. I didn't buy anything brand new. So if you're like, wow, that looks really nice, or that looks beat up, it's because I use it pretty much. So anyways, this toothpaste is the bomb. I love it. I'll see if I can like link it below for you guys. I always see like a difference right away when I use it. I really like it, and my daughter thinks it's hilarious when she sees my mouth all like completely black. The only thing is when you rinse, you really want to make sure you rinse everything, because otherwise you'll have black like on your teeth. So you really have to rinse really good. So again, that's it for like the cosmetic stuff. What I do like to do when traveling is, oh, be right back. So for some mom stuff that is pretty essential but not fun is the breast pump. I will bring this. It's really, really big. It's the Medela, just, I don't know. It's just like the normal Medela breast pump. And I really like it. I don't want to go out and buy a new one because I rarely use one. And they are usually a few $100s, and I don't want to spend that. Yeah, pretty self-explanatory. So I'll put that in the bag, shove it somewhere, because nothing glamorous, but obviously need to bring it. I always make sure I bring vitamins. This is just the giant one I got at Costco. And I know, like, I also heard somewhere that the pills are better, like your body absorbs them better than gummies, but I'm a child and I need the gummies. Seriously. I need a coffee break. Another thing I always make sure to bring is a notebook. I feel like I always have ideas or things that I need to do, and I need to write it down. And I get super sick when flying when it comes to if I'm trying to read something. Or like type, I can't do that. I need to, if I'm writing it, I'm fine. Or if I look at something really quickly, it's fine. I just can't read like a book. I know that's a really big thing. I can't do it on a plane. It makes me nauseous. So I just like to have a notebook because I always feel like I'm like, oh, I want to make sure I do that when I get home. Or, oh, this is really a good idea for the business or for the team or for the house, or, oh, this project I want to work on. Anyways, I got a lot of ideas and I need to write it down. And isn't this super cute? It's from TJ Maxx because they're amazing. So I keep that really, really handy. Another thing I like to bring are headphones. These are like a must. I like to listen. I use Audible, and I think there may be self-help books. I don't know. Like the girl go get your, like the girl wipe your face, wash your face, girl wash your face. That's what it was. I haven't listened to it for a while, but that book was amazing. The author reads it to you, so it's being portrayed in a way exactly how she wants it to. And I laughed and I cried and I related so much to her. It's crazy. It's called Girl Wash Your Face. Listen to it. She has a couple other books that I'm planning on listening to on the plane ride because it's about an 8-hour flight. So I know I won't be able to sleep through that whole thing. So listening to books is a really good one. And then, like, I don't know, I just listen to business ones too. But also, when in doubt, when I have nothing to listen to, I listen to Harry Potter. And I've listened to them so much because I'll listen to them in the car that I literally have them memorized. It's a problem. So yeah, cordless headphones or Bluetooth headphones, really, really good. And I packed some for my husband as well. His are not pink because he does not wear pink. Okay, I think that is, oh, I didn't think, no, this one is not pink. I didn't think when I first started traveling, I'm like, oh my God, those things are so dumb. Who uses these? I don't know who doesn't use them unless you're going on a flight for like, honestly, even an hour. You need this because if you want to doze off, if you want to just relax, like sitting in a small space is not fun. This is amazing. It's gonna be my first time flying. I'm sorry. These are amazing. This will be my second time flying with one, and whenever I used it, I don't know how I didn't have one before. I felt very naive. It's memory foam. You don't have to put it in your bag. You literally just like strap it to the like handle and that's fine. Or I don't know, if you got like a really rude person, I saw people like walking around the airport with it like around their neck, probably like, I don't know, just so it wouldn't be counted in their luggage. But yeah, there's that. Otherwise, I just bring lots of scrunchies, hair ties, just kind of, I need them because I don't want to be on the plane with my hair down. So the things I want to be able to access, I have them. They're usually small things, but I have them in the front. That's the biggest tip I have for you, is put it in the front. And get the biggest carry-on that you can get, like the dimensions, which I think it's like 26 by 17, 19, I don't know. It's actually pretty big that you can have your carry-on. Plus, you get a purse. I'll show you kind of like the setup that I use for that and how I have things packed, what outfits I'm bringing, and all that fun stuff. But I think this is it for the sit down portion. Yeah, let's go ahead and show you the other stuff. Okay, so we will only be there for 2 full days, and then our 3rd day is going to be for traveling. So I actually have 4 outfits here. Even though we're only there for really 3 days, but you gotta have an extra outfit and then a pair of jammies up there, just like to be like every girl and have options. It says it's gonna be nice, so I'm crossing my fingers that it's still supposed to be. No, we are not going to Florida. That's not where we're going, but I think we'll still kind of go with what we're doing. So I have long sleeve, kind of warmer top with some high-waisted shorts, a dress that's from Charming Charlie's. These shorts were from actually Forever 21. The shirt was from a random website I found on Facebook that you know that you get the ads from. Yep, I got suckered into that. The shoes, have no idea. Those ones are from Gap. That shirt is from Charming Charlie's, and it's just a super pretty, fun, I don't know, it's obviously summer and spring, but where we're going, it will still be nice. So I'm okay, because obviously really nothing in here is fall, except maybe this one, because it's a sweater, and it just feels fall-y if you paired it with the right stuff. But anyways, and then paired with some shorts. Those shorts are from, I think those are from Target. They're great. Jammies are the softest thing of my life, and those are also from Gap. This top was thrifted. It's like brand new, and it's, let's see, Alexander Jordan, and it's like perfect. And then those pants are from Target. If you're wondering why I have so much Gap, it's because I worked there for a really long time, and I do actually think they have really well-made clothes. So I do go back there because I love it. Okay, you guys, so this is everything in my carry-on that I won't be needing to dig into. So on this side, it's going to be everything from clothing and shoes, all that fun stuff. And okay, and then on this side is, oh, look at that. And then on this side is everything pretty much cosmetic related. I highly, highly, highly suggest if there's anything liquid, put it in its own individual container or a Ziploc bag and do that. And then if it doesn't explode, fantastic. It doesn't leak, great. Then just like reuse it and keep it in your suitcase for next time you travel. But I've had, the last 2 times I've traveled, things explode. And luckily it was in my big, my larger case, but I mean, still. And then I actually save the bubble wrap, just because there's some glass stuff in here, and it just helps keep it protected. Some things I did forget to mention is these, obviously, makeup removers. And at the hotel, I like to have the TV on, and at night, there ends up getting nothing on. I don't know these channels because I'm not from this area. So what I suggest bringing is, if you have like a Roku, Google Chrome, bring that. I'm just going to bring my Roku and our Google Chrome. I don't know why, but I'd rather just be prepared, and it takes up like no extra space. So it'll be totally fine. I am going to have to put my breast pump in my tote that I'm going to have, because if I feel like I need to take care of that while I'm traveling, I don't want to open this up. And hopefully you are not a mom that needs to do that, because it will save you a lot of space if you don't. But this is the larger carry-on that I know I won't need to get into. And now I will show you guys the tote. Okay, so here is the personal belonging package bag that I'll have, and always make sure to get a zip because your stuff will fall out. But you guys, this breast pump is killing me. This is so hard to travel with. But anyways, I have my makeup for touch-ups if I want to do that. Scrunchie, notebook right here, and then the headphones right there, and then a pen attached. Pretty much everything I need, and then I just put our information right on top for our flight. And I can't do that one-handed. But yeah, so whenever we travel, that's pretty much what my setup is like. And yeah, that's about it for the luggage part. Thanks guys for watching my video today. Make sure that you click that like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you are new. You can also hit the bell so you can get notifications. And I know it seems silly to like the video, but honestly it does actually help me out a lot, especially since my channel is brand new. So if you do that, that would be absolutely awesome. But it doesn't tell me who likes it, so if you don't, I won't know because I don't know the people that like it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you in my next video, and I think my next one will actually be a vlog of our trip. I think I'm gonna do that. And I'll let you guys know where we're going in that video, so stay tuned. All right, see you later. Bye guys.